Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and have you ever wanted to know what you would look like as a baby, a cartoon character, or even a celebrity? Well, we've got the solution for you. Meet Waazy, the face swap video maker for Android. Waazy is the app that turns your face into anything you want it to be. It's like a magical mirror that transforms you into anything you desire, and the best part? You don't need to be a wizard to use it. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store app and running here. So let's go ahead and search the application. It's called Waazy Face Swap, and here it is. And as you can see, I have installed it ahead of time to save you time, and before we open this up, let's take a look at a few clips in here. So these are the things that you can do with this application. It has a face reface editor, face swap with anyone, gender swap, auto cutout slideshows, cartoon filters with 3D animation, one-click cool editing, and so much more. Alright, let's go back and open it. Alright, so we're now on the interface, and as you can see, these are the predefined templates that you can use right away. So if you scroll down, you will find more options. You can also use the category tabs here. For you, tabs, beats, pop, love, new, and face AI. So just look for the filter that you want to apply to your photos or video. It doesn't matter, as long as it is great, then you can choose any of these. So let's go ahead and try one of these. Let me try this one, and it's called, I Have Called Your Name. Select up to 3 photos. Let's go ahead and do that. Make a video, and this will be, so select 3 images, right? And then hit next, and you will be routed on this page. And then tap the play button, and you will see the results. Okay, that's the filter being applied to your photo. And if you like it, then just tap the export button here at the top. And you will see these options. Choose export resolution. The lowest is 480p and the middle resolution is 720p and the highest is 1080p, and that's for VIP. So I prefer this 720p. Export, and it's going to take for a while to complete. So let's go ahead and wait for a few seconds. Make sure that you do not close the app or lock the screen. Alright, it's almost done. And here it is. So now, you have the option to share it to your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Just tap the 3 dots here, and you will see more options available. So let's go back to the dashboard, and select another one if you want to. Just look for the effects that you like, that you are interested to play with. So make sure that it's going to look nice. So let's go ahead and try one more time. So I just want to let you know that you have the option to use the search function here at the top. Just use it and type any query. This one. Let's try this one, then make video. Okay. It's going to look like that. This is the preview here. If you want to apply the effect to your photos, so tab to make video. Select your photos, and I have chosen these photos, since I like her so much. So let's go ahead and play it. Okay, it's going to look like that. As to what we have seen in the preview section. So the filter's been applied. So you can now export it if you want to, by tapping the export button at the top. And you will see this option in the screen, or the resolution option. Then just to select any of these. I prefer the default 720 and export. And it's going to be exported to your phone. Alright, it's done. So there you have it, folks. Waazy, the face swap video maker app that makes you look like whoever you want to be. Whether you want to see yourself as a superhero, a pop star, or just a cute animal, Waazy has got you covered. And the best part? You don't have to be a pro to use it. With Waazy, all you need is a smartphone and your imagination. So what are you waiting for? Download Waazy today and start making the most hilarious face swap videos in no time.